Hi everybody, Kelly with TTE Group. Today we're here to talk about the PricetonTec MPLS, the Modular Personal Lighting System. I'm going to zoom in here in a second, but I just want to kind of give you an idea of what we're working with. It's a small, compact LED light system, very light, 17 grams, flexible neck, and comes with 5 different mounts, and I'm going to show them all to you in a second. So give me a chance to set everything back up so that it's zoomed in, and we'll start from there. So, a little bit about PricetonTec. They're basically a company that works on personal lighting systems, and they've recently started working in the military and law enforcement category. This is kind of a close-up view of the MPLS. It's basically a small unit, 4 screws holding 2 halves together, 2 ratcheting arms, and a centering block, and then this is the boom, and then the light itself. Now, it comes with 5 mounts, as we said. Obviously, the most useful one is going to be, in this case, a Picatinny mount, so that you can use this as a navigation light on a weapon. And it's simply a matter of placing it in the circle, rotating it till it locks, and then, rotating it to the position you want, and then adjusting the boom however you like. Now, it has 2 settings. It has low and high. Okay. Princeton doesn't advertise any specifications, but from the light output, I'm guessing it's probably somewhere between 3 to 5 lumens for the low end and probably 13 to 15 on the high end. Not very much, but good for quick navigation, basic lighting necessities, things like that. So one of the big strengths about it is that it comes in 5 different colors. It comes in blue, green, red, or white LEDs. There's also an infrared option, an IR option. And then you could take this light and then move it from platform to platform as you see fit. So it's just a matter of turning the light, it comes off, then it can be transferred over, same technology, push it in, rotate it, and then it's a weapons light, or a helmet light for navigation again. 1, 2, easy as that, and then off. It can be taken off of there and then put on a reverse Picatinny mount, say like you have an ops core type helmet, and then just like that. Again, I don't have a reverse Picatinny mount here today, unfortunately. Then this can be just slid into the reverse Picatinny mount, and it can be taken off of there. And normally you would have this on a vest at chest height, but I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. It has a small clip-on MOLLE mount, and it's just a matter of, again, press down, turn, and there it is. Now it also has the ability, there's also a magnet included, so you can actually set this up to stick to the side of metal objects. I haven't gotten that set up yet. I don't have a whole lot of call for that. Works really well. Very lightweight, very portable. It's got a fair amount of adjustment. Any mount gives you up to 45 degrees of adjustment ability. It runs off of 2 2016 batteries. Just real kind of a neat little light that does a whole lot without a whole lot of weight. Street price runs about $45 to $50 depending on where you're looking at. The pros on it is, again, it's great for navigation. They don't really advertise how long that it will last on each stage that I could find. It's got obviously the 5 different mounts, helmet, weapon, reverse Picatinny, MOLLE, and then magnetic. Very lightweight, easy to use. Now, there's a couple of cons to it. It's not waterproof as far as I can tell. Just a real quick splashing with some water and I could see some moisture on the inside of it. There is no lockout, so if you bump it, you can have a white light discharge, which in a tactical situation could be kind of a problem, so there's no way to keep that from happening. The other thing is that because of the boom on here, obviously when you've got it mounted on a weapon, weapons get snagged on everything. It's simply a matter of, and it's gone. There's no retention ability. There's no way to dummy cord this to anything. Still, for what it does, it's an excellent little product. Works really well. They've got some really cool features built into it. Haven't actually subjected it to weapons fire yet. That's going to be one of my next tests to do for this. But that's the PricetonTec MPLS, the Modular Personal Lighting System. And you can find it on their website at www.PrincetonTec.com. Again, that's PrincetonTec.com. There's a little bit of information on there, not a whole lot more than what I've told you already. Feel free to contact TTE Group if you have questions, and we'll try and find out for you. If not, thanks for joining us today. Have a great one and stay safe, guys.